Hey guys, it's Teddy from Tech Support. Let me show you how to resolve a very common problem in pipelines. I have this app and a simple pipeline where I'm trying to update the record from the trigger step with information from the search record steps. If I move this update record step outside of the loop and I trigger the pipeline by simply updating a random record, the pipeline triggers and finishes without any issues. There are no indications of a problem, I don't get any errors, but the result is that my record was actually not updated, as we can see in the app. Now, if I go back here and I open the activity logs, I'm going to see this informational message. Skip because set values are the same as in source object. If you ever see such informational message, this always indicates that you're trying to update a field, in my case, the first name, with a value that is actually blank. Why it's blank? Because it's outside of the loop. Any information from the search record, it's treated as blank if this step is outside of the loop. Now, if I return it back into the loop and I trigger the pipeline again, the pipeline triggers and my record was updated without any issues. This can also happen in the following scenario. I'm updating this record, which triggers the pipeline, and then I would like to use the same value to update a field. Now I'm going to trigger this pipeline by clearing this value, which is again counted as an update, as a change. I'm going to save. The pipeline triggers and we see the same message because we cleared that value. Even though it's considered changed and triggered the pipeline, it still cannot update an existing record in the field with the blank value. To resolve this, you need to add a condition that evaluates this value. And it says, if the first name has a value, if that field has a value, then we can proceed and update the name field with this value. If the condition is not met and we want to match the values in both fields, even though it's equal to blank, then you can use clear to clear the value. So let me show you this option. I'm going to clear this. This will trigger the pipeline. As we can see, there are no messages or anything. And if I refresh, it has successfully cleared the value.